Capacitor. Capacitor is a unique part, to be honest, because imagine you can keep the excess amount of power you have from electric to other chunk of iron. Well, it's not exactly iron, but it's basically stone. You keep the excess charge of electricity on a simple lump of stone. How cool that is! And the capacitor itself is a name for things that we usually use. A battery. Battery itself is a part of capacitor. It's not like animals, you see, it's more like a type of device. And the capacitor itself has a varied, varied size. Some of them has a small size but a big capacity of power, and some of them is has a big, really big one, but it has quite small because every kind of capacitor has its own purposes. There is one who is small but has a big power. That there is one who is big but has a small capacity power. And for the capacitor itself, we use it to create our project. It was a project of making a robot that will following lines. It was, if I'm not wrong, it was using a color detector. It's using motor, and that's basically all of them. But it was used to be the old days. If I'm not wrong, we also using a HSR to check if the in front of you is there an object or not. Because if there is a object in front of you, the the device we create will automatically rotate itself to back from it's coming from, and after that it will find another way by following the line until it finish. After capacitor, let me just think about it because actually there is a lot of them, but I'm starting to forgetting it. Well, since I can remember it, let's go to the next subject. This is my favorite subject actually. It was called Scratch. Scratch is a part of, uh, you can call it a video game engine. Uh, you know, what is it called again? Game engine. Yeah, I forget the actual name. Is it called engine? Wait a second, let me check it real quick. Mm, game. Mm. Yep, it is called Game Engine. Game Engine is a software framework and development environment to build video games or other visualization. But actually, Scratch you can use Scratch to other things. You can create an apps. You can create a game. You can create a calculator. Practically, you can create everything. But Scratch is only for you know for the newer user who has not an actual intelligence, an actual wisdom, an actual information about how to create and how to code a video game or an application they want to create. Because in Scratch, the way to program is not by typing, it's by drag and drop. You can literally put an orange block, which usually means motion, and put the other blocks or blue box, which is mean oh wait, the orange box is command and the blue box is movement, the motion. You can literally put, for example, if you press W, the the subject will be moved to up, right, left, or down. You can just put up, and if you press W, the object you mentioned will be moved up. It was very simple and very easy to use for a kid or for people who just barely begun to the programming journey. Because programming itself is hard. Why was it hard? Because literally, there is a video 1 week ago was created and it's not even eligible to be used for today because that's how fast the coding industry is changed.